We'll guide you through how to stop Roblox from crashing. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We're covering multiple different fixes you can try, so make sure it's this full video. First of all, come and close off Roblox for now if it's currently open. And what you want to try doing is reinstalling Roblox. So come to the bottom and click on search and type in remove programs or just remove like so. At the top, you want to go and click on search and go and type in Roblox. You can then come over to the right, click the three dots and click uninstall. Repeat this for the different versions you have. Now, whether you go and play Roblox by using the site or the app, we now need to go and get it again. If you use the app, you can go to the Microsoft Store. If you go and use the site, come to a game, and then you can go and click the play button. It will go and say it's loading, but shortly you'll go and see an option to go and download it. Press download and you can then go and run the installer. You can find it in your downloads or in your browser and wait. When it's finished, go and click on join or go and run Roblox and see if it goes and works. For the next method, go and delete the temporary files, click on search at the bottom and go and type in run. And then what you need to do is go and type in %temp%. Press OK and this will open up. And you can just go and delete everything in here. Press Ctrl A to select it all, right click and you can go and press delete like so. Now try running Roblox. If that doesn't solve your problem, then come down to the bottom and click on the Windows button. Go over to the right and click on the power button and go and restart your computer and go and see if that solves the problem. For the next method, try using a different version of Roblox. For example, if at the moment you're playing Roblox through the site and then launching games, you can go and get the Roblox app from the Microsoft Store. So go and search for it. You can go to the top and go and type in Roblox like so, go and click on it and you can then go and click on install. And if you're currently using the Roblox app, try playing through the site. Hopefully one of the methods in this video has solved your problem.